Hello and welcome everybody. Ragu alla Bolognese is the most famous Italian sauce in the world, and this is my interpretation of it. First thing first, the traditional recipe don't put meat first in the pot. They put sofrito first and then add meat. The reason why I do this method first is I want to add some crust into meat. This is the reason why. A beautiful, full of flavor brown crust. But be careful, you don't want to burn the meat. After 5 minutes, I reduce the heat to medium and then I add pancetta. Pancetta will add a smoky flavor into a ragu. Mix beef and pancetta for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the meat from the pot. Add olive oil and sofrito. Sofrito is Italian term for celery, carrots and onions. Wet sofrito on medium-low heat at least 20 minutes. Add garlic and then introduce meat and sofrito. Add bay leaf, red wine. I'm using cabernet sauvignon. You can use white wine also. And with wine you can clean the bottom of the pot. Make sure the wine evaporates before you add tomato puree. Tomato puree leaves acidic flavor, so a teaspoon of sugar will help you with that. Now the hard part is done now. Add some vegetable stock and cook it at least 2 hours on low heat, occasionally adding a vegetable stock. Thyme is best ingredient you can put to this sauce. If you have time, go for it. If you have even more, go for 6 hours. Trust me, you will see a difference. But this is after 2 hours. I was way too hungry. I couldn't wait. The smell and the taste was amazing. Now add sauce to the bottom. Pasta in the middle and sauce at the top and pasta water. And mix at least 1 minute until the tagliatelle absorbs this beautiful sauce. Add Parmesan cheese and enjoy. You deserve it. This was my interpretation of Bolognese sauce. Thank you all for watching this, and please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This will help me a lot. Thank you all and have a great day. Bye bye guys.